is a true-blooded Negrense. I used to have an interaction with this amazing woman when I was still a reporter of ABS-CBN Bacolod. I always saw her during her hike towards her school, and I would offer to bring her to school. Ging was a former DSWD staff of the municipality of Murcia from 2007 to 2012. She also worked as Regional Social Welfare Assistant of DSWD Field Office from 2012 to 2014. Ging Padua of Murcia Negros Occidental worked at an accounting office at QBC in Dubai, Arab Emirates in 2014. She then worked as assistant teacher at Brookings School, District 5-1 from 2019 until 2022. She taught special class in 4th and 5th graders at Camelot Intermediate School. At present, she works at South Dakota State University, Jerome J. Loher College of Engineering. Ging is married to William Hinshaw in July 9 of 2018.